So hi there, it's Tuesday. I'm not in my office, as you can see. I'm actually with a client right now trying to resolve some issues with his iMac. Now, the whole point of this video today is to explain how to keep your data and how to keep your data safe. This client does use iCloud and he does use Office 365 for his work, but his daughters also use this computer and it's a complete mess. Files are absolutely everywhere. Now, it's not a massive issue. Where the issue comes is the problem that he has is that the system got corrupt. I've been trying to fix it for past hour or so and I'm not able to fix it. So basically we have to reinstall everything. The problem is that we don't know where all the files are. We don't know where anything is. It's not synced with anything. So what I'm planning to do today, and I've already explained to my client, is to make sure everything is in a cloud service. So in this instance, we're going to use iCloud because it's the easiest thing to use. But things like 365, Dropbox to a certain degree, although I don't like that software, or G Suite, which is the one that I use for running my business. But this isn't a business, this is actually just a home. And he just needs to make sure that his office computer is synced up with his phone and with his lounge iMac as well. But the main issue is that the files are all over the place. Nothing is synced, nothing is anywhere. So I've had to go and scavenge all this data to make sure we can get everything and put it in one place. So the point of this video is to make sure you know where all your files are, just in case something happens to your computer. Now, he does have Backblaze. The problem is he's been getting emails saying it's not working, your account is frozen, but the backup is frozen, so it hasn't backed up for the last 200 days. So we've got to go in and scavenge data to try to figure out where it is and rebuild the computer. Anyway, I'm going to carry on doing this. Hope you guys are having a great day. Remember, keep it simple, and I will see you tomorrow. Take care. Ciao. Bye-bye.